The Tale of the Prophets, a journey through time once upon a time, in a world filled with wonder and lessons to be learned. There were many great prophets sent by God to guide humanity. Each prophet had a unique story, and they shared messages that shaped the faith of many. Adam As, the first man in the beginning, there was Adam, the very first man created by God. Adam was placed in the beautiful Garden of Eden, where he lived in peace. God taught him the names of all things. Adam was the first to understand the oneness of God and the importance of obedience. Eventually he had to leave the garden, but he learned to seek forgiveness and guide his children. Noah As, the ark builder. As time passed, people began forgetting the lessons of Adam. God sent Noah, a faithful servant known for his righteous heart. He warned his people about a great flood due to their wrongdoings. Noah built a mighty ark to save the faithful and the animals. The flood came, washing away the disbelievers, and Noah's faithfulness led to a new beginning. Abraham Ibrahim As, the father of nations. Abraham, known for his unwavering faith, faced many trials. He stood against the idol worship of his people and taught them to believe in one God. His unwavering faith brought him closer to God, leading to the covenant that he would father great nations. His sons, Isaac and Ishmael, continued his legacy, teaching belief and trust in God. Moses Musa As, the deliverer over time. The children of Israel fell into oppression in Egypt. God chose Moses to lead them to freedom. Through miracles, Moses showed the power of God parting the Red Sea and receiving divine guidance in the form of the Torah. He taught them about justice, compassion, and the importance of worshiping God alone. David Dodd As, the just king after Moses. David was chosen as king. He was not only a leader but also a poet and musician. God gifted him with wisdom and the Psalms, which taught love, justice, and the beauty of creation. David fought against injustice and became a beloved king, uniting the people in faith and worship. Solomon As, the wise ruler. David's son. Solomon inherited his father's wisdom and ruled with fairness. He built the great Temple of Solomon and communicated with animals and spirits. His story teaches that true wisdom comes from God, and it is essential to govern with righteousness and kindness. Jesus Isa As, the messenger of mercy. Time continued, and Jesus came with a message of love and compassion. Born from the Virgin Mary, he performed miracles and taught the importance of love, charity, and forgiveness. Jesus stressed the connection between God and his people, emphasizing that faith requires action and kindness. Muhammad P.B.H., the final messenger. Finally, God sent Muhammad, the seal of all prophets. Born in Mecca, he received the Quran, the final revelation. His life was a model of humility, patience, and compassion. He taught the importance of community, justice, and the worship of one God. Muhammad's message united people and taught them how to live in harmony. And so the stories of these prophets intertwined through history, each one fulfilling a vital role in guiding humanity back to the path of righteousness. Each prophet's life serves as a reminder that faith, perseverance, and compassion are the keys to a good life. As night falls and stars twinkle in the sky, remember the lessons of these great prophets and the strength of faith. Sleep well, for tomorrow is a new day to share goodness with the world. The end.